Welcome to Mariola's Artisan Kitchen. Today I am excited to show you how to make squash, sweet potato and apple soup, healthy and delicious meal for this cold afternoon. This video is brought to you by Artisan Kitchen Online. We offer online programs, so when you subscribe and join us, you'll learn to cook good food. Things that are fast, fun, easy, tasty, and very authentic. Subscribe. Take your squash and cut in half and then spoon out the insides. This process will apply to any squash that you have available for the soup, or if you wish to bake a pumpkin, the same process can be used. I put a little bit of the olive oil before placing the squash in the oven. My frugal side of cooking doesn't allow me to discard the seeds, so all of the mush and seeds that I have scooped from my squash or pumpkin, I place in a water-filled bowl. I have removed all except the seeds. The process is very fast and easy because of the submersion in the water. I put the seeds on a baking sheet, sprinkled them with salt, and placed them in the same oven that my squashes are baking. In about 10 minutes, I will take them out brown. After cooling, I am going to place all of those seeds in a nice small glass jar for enjoyment as a snack much later on. While squash is roasting, let's prepare the basic vegetable soup. My basic soup ingredients are 4 carrots, 4 potatoes, but in this case they will be replaced with sweet potatoes, 1 parsnip, 1/4 quarter of onion, cabbage, celery root, salt, allspice, and bay leaf. Like I mentioned, I am replacing the 4 potatoes with 2 medium sweet potatoes that have been peeled and chopped up. Put all of it in a pot. Place about 1.5 gallons of water. You can add mushrooms to enhance the flavor of your soup as well, but that is optional. Once your squash is baked, take it out of the oven and carefully remove the inside, leaving the skin or shell behind. Add it to your simmering soup. Once all of the ingredients in your soup are fork tender and soft, add peeled and cored medium-sized apple into the soup. The smaller pieces you will cut that apple into, the faster this process is going to happen. My herb of choice for this soup is French tarragon. If you remember, I dried some tarragon from my garden, but you can also freeze it. Either form is okay to add to this soup, and be generous. I have added 2 tablespoonfuls. I also chose to add some fresh thyme into the soup. Place your soup in a food processor and blend it until smooth. I did in this case use the immersion blender, so it took me a little longer, but the result is about the same. Before serving, I add seeds, the pumpkin and sunflower seeds, whatever you have on hand, and a little bit cream for the decoration. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're in the know next time we upload a new video. And check us out online for the online programs that we offer on artisankitchen.online. Thanks for watching.